How to install Intel integrated GPU drivers, which is the GPU inside your CPU. Search DXDIAG. Run it and it takes a while to load. Try to remember your CPU's name. In this case, it's 1245U, not the i5, not the i7, okay? Search the name of the CPU, in this case Intel 1245U. Usually it's the first record. This is your landing page for your CPU information and the specs. But we only care about the downloads. You click it, you will find the GPU driver for your CPU. In this case, it's the first record. You click View More Download Options, and this will lead you to the real download page, and then you will be able to download historical version or current version. Run the exe with admin rights, and on this page you click Customize. Uncheck the things you don't need. In this case, I don't need anything except the driver, and I also check Execute a clean install. During the installation, your screen may flash and you want to reboot the PC after the installation.